once you get into it, won't you dance with me?
Hi everyone, and good morning, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I haven't vlogged for a while. I vlogged all week last week because I did it like a week in my life, and it kind of was just like ugh. So this weekend and yesterday, which was Monday, I just kind of took off from vlogging, so sorry about that. But I'm starting off the vlog today. I am actually running some errands today, so I figured it'd be a good day to vlog. Today I have to go get a key for a gym where my girls have practice at tonight, so that's the first thing on my list. And then I need to run to Dollar Tree. I actually might do Dollar Tree first, but then I want to go to TJ Maxx too, so I might do that after work. I don't really know, I have a lot to do. So I need to go get a key. I need to get stuff for, we're doing like goals and expectations and stuff like that tonight at practice, so I need to get paper for that. Because I want to get like fancy paper, like cool paper. I know, it would just make me more excited if the paper looked cool, you know? And then I want to go to TJ Maxx to see if they have any like fall decor just for my room. And then I want to, well, I have to work 12 to 3:15 or something like that. And then practice 6 to 9. And then I still want to see Easton between the 3 and the 6. But I also have to go to TJ Maxx between then. I also want to go to Target because I need to get eyebrow pencil and stuff like that. So yeah, I have a lot to do today, so I figured I would vlog just to bring you guys with me. Yesterday at work, I actually got another candle and I want to show you guys. So it's just this one. It's in a little mason jar and it's coffee scent. It's got the coffee beans in it. It smells like I just walked into Starbucks. I love it. It did have the label on it, but I thought it was more aesthetically cute without it, so I took the label off of it. So I just went and got a tea from Capital. I got Starburst. It's not mixed yet, I gotta mix it. And now I'm at Northridge. This is actually where I went to elementary school at, and now I'm back to get a key. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in and do that. There's also this dog like right there just like barking at me, so that's cool. So I just went in and got the key, and then it's a good thing I went and it was an airplane, because they're like, yeah, we have a school event, so you guys can't have the gym tonight. I was like, you guys could have emailed me or told me something earlier. So now I called Sid, she didn't answer, and I texted her, so I don't know. That's great. I'm at work now, and I was gonna show you guys what I got from the dollar store when I was there, but there was people surrounding me and I just didn't want to. So the first thing I got was this thing. I didn't read it, but there's like construction paper, tracing paper, and scribble paper. I don't know, it was just colorful paper, and they have to write goals down, and I was like, it'd be funner if they had colorful paper. So I got that. And then I got 2 sets of markers because I figured people are gonna fight over the colors, and they're from the Dollar Tree, so they probably don't even work that well. So I got 2 of those. And then I also got folders, there's like different colors, so that they can put their goals and any other dance related stuff that they may have in there, just to keep it in one place. And then we got thank you cards, so they can write thank you cards to the people that drive them to practice, so that's always nice. And then I got this big white poster board so we can write our goals on it. So yeah, that's everything I got at the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I'm at work now, so I'm gonna pack up all this stuff and then probably go inside, and that wasn't even hardly on my face. So I'm done with work now. I'm actually at Target, and I bought some stuff. I also bought some stuff at work, so I'll show you guys right when I get home. Okay, I'm home now, and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got today. We're gonna start out with Boutique 23, and I have some shoes. I have like no fall shoes, and I really needed some, and these were $23, so I was like, that's a good deal. And they're just these flat. They have like a cute little braided detail, just a tiny little heel, and I thought these are cute for fall. They're a little bit squishy, so they won't hurt my feet. And then I showed you guys my candle this morning. I got the same, like, it's from the same person, but I got peppermint mocha. It's like a soy candle, like I said. These are $6, and they're 8 ounce. And it smells so good. And then from Target, I got my eyebrow pencil. I use the Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo. I don't use the fill side, I just use the define side. And then I was out of deodorant, and this is this is the kind of deodorant I use, if you guys are wondering. Literally no deodorant works for me, and the kind that Easton uses works for me. and so he uses the Degree Men stuff, and so I got this one. It's for adventure. That's like the scent. Oh, it smells like him. But yeah, so I got that. And then I found this in the dollar aisle, and it goes perfect with my room because my room's like gray and white. And I was like, this is too cute not to get, and so I got it. I want to cut the tag off, but I don't have a scissor anyway. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put this, I don't know where, but I'm gonna find a spot. So that's everything that I got. Hi everyone, I am in my car now, and it is pouring rain outside, and I'm a little bit wet, but that's fine. I'm currently on my way to Starbucks because I want to get a drink before practice, and I need to get something to eat. So that's where I'm going right now. I just threw on this popcorn knit hoodie. In my last vlog, I said we did not have any more of these in the store. And that was a lie. We just got brown ones in. So if you're into like that kind of mocha-ish color, boutique23.com. And this person is next to me probably wondering why I'm filming myself, but you know, it's okay. I do this for fun, and people just need to realize that. Now, am I able to go on this side? I think so. You know what? I'm gonna do it anyway. Turned. Okay, so I'm gonna get a grande iced vanilla latte with hazelnut, no whip. It's my new favorite drink, and I'm gonna get a bacon and go to breakfast sandwich. I just ate a bunch of pretzels, so I'm not that hungry, but I know by the time 9 o'clock hits, I'm gonna be starving, and so I'm gonna get something to eat. Hi everyone, and good morning, and welcome to today. Today's Wednesday. I work 10 to 6. No. 12 to 6. I don't know why I said 10. What I wanted to show you guys in my outfit. So my shirt is from Boutique 23. It's just the basic striped top. Cardigan is from Old Navy. Jeans are American Eagle. I'm not sure what shoes I'm gonna wear yet. Probably black ones. I don't remember where I left off in the vlog yesterday. I think it was before practice. Not really sure. But yeah, so I have work today. I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna do my face mask that I got from So Far So Clean. I think I talked about it in the last vlog. Yeah, I was supposed to get packages either today or tomorrow, and none of them came in today. I'm very upset, so hopefully they'll all be here tomorrow. If not, this vlog's gonna go till Friday. Hi guys, I'm actually in the middle of filming a video right now. It's my get ready with me for work, but I did get a package from Ulta in the mail, and I figured I would open it with you guys right now because I wanted this to be like an unboxing type of vlog, and so far this is the only package I've gotten this whole week, so that's cool. I've ordered so much stuff and it was all supposed to be here this week and none of it came, so yay. First thing in here is some paper. Okay, yay. Oops, I don't know what this is. It must be my mom's, but I'll show you guys anyway. Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Sculpting Foams. I'm pretty sure this is mousse for your hair. And then, so this is a primer that me and my mom use. It's the Professional Primer from Benefit, and they were actually having like a sale where you could buy it 50% off, and so we each got one. I'll just open one for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. So it's just this huge thing. I put mine away, but I have like just the mini one, and so yeah, I'm really excited to have a bigger version of this. So that is what I got from Ulta. Not that exciting. I was hoping to have like a whole pile of boxes to unbox for you guys, but you know, we will try again tomorrow. Okay, I'm all ready and dressed for work now. If you guys want to see my outfit details, you're gonna have to go watch my Get Ready With Me for Work. I talk about this whole entire outfit. Plus I even have shoes on for that one. So go check that out. So I just got in my car. I'm gonna close my garage door. And I go in the back to put my bag down there because that's where I keep my bag at. And there's a dead spider flying around, like, because I opened the door and it was windy. And I'm pretty sure it is dead. Can you guys see it right there? It's right there. I'm not about to move that, and it's dead, so it's gonna stay there until someone can come remove this from my car. But I talked about in my get ready with me this morning, I'm starting to feel sick. My throat hurts so bad, and so I'm gonna go get a tea from Capital Nutrition right now that has like stuff in it to make you feel better. So I'm gonna go do that quick. Okay, so I went to Capital and I got my tea. It tastes really good. It's like orange flavored. It low-key tastes like orange juice. I got it in the peach mango tea. Really good. Now I'm quickly going to eat this thing of Cheez-Its and then head into work. Hi guys. Good morning, by the way. It's morning time. I got one package out of the 5 I was supposed to get today, so I don't know where those ones are, and hopefully they'll be here tomorrow because I want to end this vlog today. But if I can't unbox my packages, then I'm gonna have to wait another day. I'm just gonna open this up. This is actually my Erin Condren, I think is how you say it, planner. I've wanted these for a long time and I never got one, and then the head coach at dance actually had one, and I looked through it and I was like, you know what, I really want one of these because I live in my planner. So I was like, I'm gonna get one. This is the box, this is what it looks like, and inside this is what it looks like. There's a bunch of stuff, and then it has a little sticker that says enjoy. So first thing on here, it says be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. And it's just like a little postcard, really cute. I'm actually gonna put that over there so it doesn't get wet in my window. This is a little sticker that says enjoy to from, so it's like happy day and you can like write stuff. Cool. So I'm going to rip this now. I was gonna move you guys down, but you won't be able to see me anyway. Okay, here it is. I'm pulling it out. So this is the one that I got. Okay, I'm just gonna take this off in the beginning. It's like a little ruler that like punches in. I don't really need that. So I don't think there's anything else in here, just bubble wrap. This thing's huge and I love it. Okay, so I did get mine personalized. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what one this is. I know it's rose gold, and then I got the silver side because if you got more different color sides, it was like $10 more, and I was like, I don't need that. But yes, and then I just got my name at the bottom, Jessica Brown, you guys know my name. And then when I first open it up, ow, there's like this little thing. So this first thing is just talking about all the free samples that's in it. It's a complimentary card, friends and family discount cards, gift labels, and a coil clip connector. As for the planner, you open it up, kind of write stuff on there. I'm so excited, you guys. Ooh. Okay, so today's month is gonna be, it's almost October. So I'm gonna start here. Oh my goodness. Ooh, my sticky notes will go perfect right in these little boxes for my homework I have to do. This is great. Absolutely love this. Oh, there is a bunch of stickers in the back too. I do have a doctor's appointment in like 40 minutes to figure out my skin issue. And so I probably should start getting ready for that. Hi guys, and good morning. So I got a big pile of clothes right there from Florida this morning, but I'm not going to show you guys because I'm going to do a whole video with them, so I'm just, you guys can see them in that. But my phone case and my key card holder thing did not come. They're both delayed, so I don't know when they're going to come. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fail of an unboxing vlog. Subscribe if you aren't already and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?